What is happening with folks? Today is the 2nd of June 2024. The time right now is approximately quarter to 10. I have forgotten to not only carry my lures but also my toiletries, which means my brush and toothpaste and things like that while packing because I was listening to a lot of music and I was super excited, and it was very difficult because the previous night I'd had an outing and things like that, so feeling a little disoriented in that sense. Also, I closed my vlog when it was raining in the second half of the day after we had reached back from Kenchi Dham. But the things that happened thereafter were still pretty exciting. Meaning that, I'll show you is what the cafe space right opposite looks like. So, right there, it says Fruitage Dhaba. I don't really know what the guest house is called. Um, but it's like a very quiet and peaceful space out there as well, and they had an open air cafe space or cafe area where the view is probably a little bit more scenic because it's directly facing the mountainside. This one is a little bit at this end of the road, um, so sitting that side would have been fun if I would have gotten to sit in the space that sounds this aesthetic, but I didn't because it was still pretty thunderstormy. The scary part was because it's night, you guys can see that it's like an entire like hilly region, right? So, and obviously the roads are like pretty scary and accident prone in that sense. So it was difficult to be sitting surrounded by like that much darkness and things because there was a power outage also because of the fact that the thunderstorms and electricity and roadways, all of it working together would have led to like a crazy big mishap or something. So dinner was quiet and peaceful and a bit lonely like that because I ordered some non-veg hakka noodles and some mushroom soup, which wasn't really cream of mushroom soup. It was like the spicy version of it. So I couldn't even have the full thing because I was just one person. If I would have gone with my parents, it would have been easier to have the dinner by myself and things. My parents, we had a little bit of a tiff, like I said in the previous vlog, while on our way back from Keshidham. So coming back home was a little bit, coming back to the guest house, to the homestay, was a little bit like disorienting also in that sense because of the fact that we had plans to have pizza for dinner, or like we were planning to stop over at a pizza place, but we cancelled. Like we didn't go through with it. And then there was like an entire like roadway block, which means that the traffic cops or like the authority people or whatever, because it's the hilly region, I really don't know what's what. It's very different in the city for the city life people and stuff. And Uttarakhand is like comprised of very small towns like that aren't all that popular in the grand scheme of things, but are still very important terrains and regions in the world, like in the mm, I don't know, in the world, in the country, whatever. So yeah, so basically locals are a little bit overwhelmingly present and aware and conscious around here, and it's probably the same as how it is in the city, but to be able to experience these things like differently can be a little bit gaslighting inducing or something. It can feel crazy. I need to brush my teeth, but I'm not carrying it and I can't help this. But so we are planning to check out in a bit. I have woken up somewhere, like my alarm rang at 5:30 or 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock probably. I shut that off. Tried to rest for another 2 hours or so. So 8 o'clock I've woken up. Same as my parents. We ordered some tea and coffee and some bread toasts and things, and we've all gotten ready. My parents are like, they have gotten to like freshen up a little bit better than me because I'm not carrying all my essential things. Now we'll be stepping out. Mama, now statutory morning stuff could go wrong again here. Mama wants to go to Kenchi Dham. I don't want to go to Kenchi Dham. She just wants to do a quick darshan. I want to go try boating and like other activities which are actually fun, and at least we can share a good laugh. Temples really just like worshipping, praying before God with like heavy hearts and crying eyes. It just makes me really depressed and sad. And so I'm edging that we go boating, and I have nothing against God, but they're like, my parents are aging and they're old, and with all due respect to their experience, but they've already been to Kenshi Dham once before. Now I don't want to go twice again and again, right? So I'm hoping that we can just check out and like Sumudi mein do boating and like call it a trip and just head back home peacefully because I have laundry to take care of at home. I have my blinds to get repaired. I have some other things around the house that can put me in the right state of mind in order to be able to work Monday onwards. If I'm not able to do that, then I'll just like hate myself forevermore because the world's moving on very fast. Anyway, I'm quickly going to share like 2 to 3 stories also though that took place that like I was thinking about last evening. So there's this road that I will show you a view of, which was basically trafficked entirely. Like there was no real like electricity for the streets, and the roadways had been blocked due to the thunderstorms, like I just said in the previous video. And the people in the opposite guest house were also like pretty alarmed by it, as were the people in this side of the guest house that were pretty alarmed by it. People were like staring at each other and just like, and it was uncomfortable and like it was a little bit of like this territorial thing about like what are you doing? Wherein I wasn't even doing anything. I mean, I can't just sit here like Gautam Buddha, right? So it's difficult. And what else? So yeah, this entire roadway had been blocked. Now the highlight here is that there are elections happening across the country, and a lot of like minority-oriented regions are a little bit power tripping due to those things, and this is specifically with respect to the northeast regions that I'm addressing this particular thing. Is that because I have been living for 1.5 years in similar terrains, and I have felt and observed like a similar culture in that sense, and then having moved back to the city life for the past 6 months has been a little bit strenuous in that sense. And because of the elections going on, it's like really hectic because even if you know, like, even if you're following the news, even if you know what's what, in whatever little like one person capacity, even if you're an aware citizen, even if you're doing your bit and just casting a vote, even if you're just aware of what is the need of the hour in your like immediate community or something, it becomes very difficult to, it becomes very intimidating and challenging and confusing to have to actually say and go through and things like that. So you're watching the news and things like that. The election results are said to be out on the 4th of this month, which is like day after tomorrow. My nails are dirty. and so and so till that happens, until all the people that are fighting for seats and fighting for power and things like that are like well settled and the work in that sense has started with respect to the government, I don't think like any of the rest of us get to like sit in peace and do anything that we want to do. So that's also going on. Then also personal, with like our personal experience, there's something with respect to our home and things like that that my parents were taking care of on calls, like even on our way here and uh, before sleeping and things like that, which is very stressful to have to go through along with my parents, because I can't really help or like do much about it. I don't know. That's like big talk. I don't know. So yeah, these things are going on. And I'm going to continue with this vlog depending on what the plan, the POA is.
अनु तुम्हारा ये एसी उधर किया हुआ है, अपनी तरफ कर लो इधर बैठना। गाड़ी नहीं निकालेंगे, पार्किंग में रहेगा, पिज्ज़ा खाएंगे। तुम लोग पिज्ज़ा खाना, हम खाली सूप पियेंगे। मेरे तो पॉटी नहीं हुआ है, हमको अंदर से बड़ा अंदर से अनकम्फर्टेबल फील हो रहा है।
So we have left the homestay. We've checked out of the homestay. We've kept our luggage in the bag, in the back of the car. It's packed in the bags, all of it that we were carrying. I've still not brushed and bathed, and it's going to happen to me 10 more times. This realization is going to dawn on me 10 more times through the journey. I can't listen to music here, which I generally like to do on my way because I'm traveling with my parents and they're a little bit sensitive to my activities.
can listen to music.
So we
Yeah, no
we
issue
have
with
to
that.
stop here somewhere near this Mr. Chef's Bakery and Cafe. Uh, the entire line of traffic, which is mostly comprising of buses or heavy vehicles or taxis and cabs that are usually traveling in groups and packs and things like those, have all been stopped. And this feels again like last night's stoppage. Last night it was understandable because there was a thunderstorm going on, and because there was electricity outage in most of the areas, and because of the roads not being very safe to drive on like that. So it was understandable. But today in the morning with the sun out and everything back to how it was yesterday, it's like crazy that they would stop for like curb traffic. And so obviously between my parents' plan, my mother's plan and me, obviously my mother's plan has taken precedence over my plans in life, for life. So she wanted to go to Kenchidham once again so that we can have a proper darshan before we leave. And now, like I have already said this thrice, I'm going to say it once again. I have not brushed my teeth. I'm not feeling fresh. I have not had a bath. I'm not feeling fresh. I've just changed my clothes and had some tea and coffee and toast, bread toast for breakfast. So I'm not feeling the most like pious self I could possibly feel in order to reach a temple and do matha tekna and bowing down in humility and gratitude. I'm not feeling it. But at the same time, Mummy and I are like negotiating, we are compromising, we're coming to consensus that okay, what is it that we are going to do? And obviously there's no negotiation when it comes to Mummy's plans. There's no negotiations in terms of going to the temple or like skipping going to the temple, but there is 100% negotiation when it comes to my plan. So if I want to go to boating, I cannot go boating because it's like, if we go to the temple, we are going to go and have pizza. You are going to get pizza. If we go to the temple, then we are going to go boating. If we don't get to go to the temple, then we are not going anywhere. And going to the temple is like the opposite way, like for us. I mean, we have to go in the other direction. If we were to just like check out and go back home, it would have been this direction and we would have stopped by the boating place. But we have to go the other way for a lot more like spending a lot more time on it, and then we have to go all the way back to where we came from. So it's like going to be like what 10 hours on the road again, and my father's going to get like exhausted doing this, and I'm going to get frustrated and irritated, and my mother's going to feel helpless, and it's going to be like annoying because other people around are not going to understand it. So music is the only hope I have to get through it. I'm listening to the song I found on someone's Instagram story.
डेढ़ मिनट आगे पहुंच जाएगा वो। देसी है विदेशी है, लेट थोड़ा है तो राइट ही जा रहा है।
आपको क्या दिखा रहा है
मंदिर भी राइट ही जा रहा है।
तो हम लोग इस थोड़े से पॉपुलर गोल चक्कर टाइप चौराहे पे आ गए हैं।
पुलिस वाले से पूछेंगे।
पुलिस अफसर बैठे हुए हैं। एक होटल क्लार्क्स का ऐड दिया, हम लोग कर चुके हैं चेकआउट ऑब्वियसली, और अभी हम लोग बस एक लास्ट स्टॉप ओवर एट कैंचीधाम करेंगे और कुछ खाएंगे पिएंगे और वापस रवाना हो जाएंगे। दिन काल के कारण के बाद से ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम लोग थोड़े एप्रीहेंसिव से हैं कि क्या होगा।
बस ये पेट्रोल पंप कितनी दूर है? लेफ्ट जाना है ना?
इसको फलसी बोलते हैं। दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट वी हैव जस्ट फाउंड एंड बीन सोल्ड एट द पेट्रोल पंप ऑन आवर वे टू कैंचीधाम। बहुत ही एस्थेटिक लुकिंग है ये, लेकिन टेस्टी नहीं है, मतलब मीठा नहीं है, थोड़ा थोड़ा ये जामुन जैसा इसका वो फ्लेवर है। बोलते हैं काफल नॉट फलसी। और ऐसे दिखती है इसकी बीज। और जो ज़्यादा राइप होती हैं इसकी बेरीज जैसा थोड़ा थोड़ा होता है। तो अगर जो ज़्यादा राइप है वो उतना मीठा नहीं है, और जो थोड़ा ज़्यादा पक गया है वो ज़्यादा मीठा है। हमने अभी फुल टैंक करवा लिया है पेट्रोल, तो हम लोग बस जा रहे हैं। एंटर कैंची प्रूफ। यहाँ पे एक साइन बोर्ड लगा हुआ है जहाँ पे कि कैंची लिखा है। तो हम लोग कैंची धाम तक अभी जस्ट नहीं पहुँचे हैं, जिसमें अभी हमारे पास है कुछ 400 मीटर रिमेनिंग। अभी हम लोगों ने मतलब 7 किलोमीटर का लगभग रास्ता हम लोगों ने कवर किया है फ्रॉम द लास्ट वीडियो क्लिप।
2 घंटे में।
हाँ, बीच में बहुत कुछ चल रहा है जो कि काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग है।
रक्षा द लेक काउंटी,
यानी कि क्या
प्रेजेंट्स द ग्रैंड अनामिका तिवारी।
काफ़ी सारे लोग आना जाना कर रहे हैं आसपास से, जैसे राइट साइड वाली लेन में। इस वाली लेन में अभी देखना कोई ना कोई लोग जाएंगे।
सब देखने आ रहे हैं अनामिका
इस
क्या
वाली
कर
लेन
रही
से
है।
because I'm so self-important, you know.
यहाँ से हम लोग गए थे, यहाँ से ये शॉर्टकट याद है, ऊपर से चढ़ के। हाँ, हम लोग गए थे,
नहीं।
हमको याद है।
नो नो
क्या बात
नो 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 प्लीज शट अप।
ये तो हम लोगों को पार्किंग लॉट का व्यू तो दिख रहा है, बट यहाँ से बहुत सारे लोग वापस जा रहे हैं जिन लोग मतलब अभी सवेरे में ख्याल से कुछ 7 से 10 बजे के बीच में।
यीशु देखो कितनी गाड़ियां हैं।
ये जो भी है, जितना भी हुआ है वो हुआ है। और फिर उसके बाद 10 बजे से कैंची धाम वाला रास्ता ही खुल गया। बोटिंग वगैरह जैसी एक्टिविटीज भी 10 बजे के
टेक द
बाद ओपन
पिक्चर
होती
एंड
है। 1 मिनट में ये वीडियो इस तरह करना चाहती हूँ। वो एक्चुअली हम लोग सीधा जाएंगे ही पार्किंग में, खत्म होगा पता नहीं।
देखो ना ऊपर से कितना जबरदस्त गाड़ियां।
और मैं इनसाइड द मंदिर ब्लॉग नहीं बना सकती हूँ, तो ये मुझे बात है, यहीं पे जोड़ देनी पड़ेगी। साफ मन के साथ जाएंगे मंदिर में, भले ही गंदे दांत हो।
मयंक ऑन स्टाइल अवेलेबल। कितनी गाड़ियां होंगी? 1000 तो होंगी, नीचे ज्यादा होंगे। हेलो
मम्मी को अलग एंजाइटी हो रही है, पापा को अलग एंजाइटी है, मुझे अलग एंजाइटी हो रही है।
Was shocking. In his experiment, he took different bottles of water and asked his students to send negative energy to it by saying words like, I hate you, you're evil, you're stupid, and so on. In the next batch, he asked his students to send positive.
ओके, सो हम लोग अभी रुके हुए हैं एक मैगी टी पॉइंट पे, और हम लोगों ने एक तो मैगी और एक कुछ पकौड़े जैसी टाइप की चीज़ें ऑर्डर कर ली हैं, बिकॉज हम लोग काफ़ी देर से रुक के आ रहे हैं। और बेसिकली कैंची धाम जहाँ हम कल गए थे पार्किंग लॉट नहीं पे है। और क्या बोलते हैं कि जहाँ से हमने हाथ खरीदा था और वो सब शॉप्स भी नहीं पे हैं, जूते उतारने की जगह हैं और होता है। और क्या है, हाँ, हम लोग खा पी के दर्शन करके 10 मिनट में टेक किया, जैसे भी वो सब करके हम लोग वापस रवाना हो जाएंगे। वापस जाते टाइम हम लोग बोटिंग करेंगे या नहीं मुझे पता नहीं है। मैं उतनी ऑडिबल भी नहीं हूँ जितनी बाकी लोग इस वक्त हैं, जितने बाकी लोग इस वक्त हैं। हम लोग एग्जैक्टली पार्किंग लॉट के एंट्रेंस पे पहुंच चुके हैं। इसके बाद मैं अगले 5 मिनट के बाद में मैं ब्लॉग नहीं बना पाऊँगी, तो मैं 5 मिनट का भी ब्लॉग नहीं बनाऊँगी। तो सिर्फ हम लोग पार्किंग एंटर कर रहे हैं। बहुत सारी गाड़ियाँ हमारे साथ में हैं और बहुत सारी और क्यूट चीज़ें देखने को मिल रही है जो नहीं ऐसी होती है, चल रही है। हाँ, पार्किंग का गेट बंद है इस वक्त। ये जगह अगेन जैसे हम लोगों ने कल देखा था शाम के 7 बजे तक खुली रहेगी। थोड़ी सी अभी कड़ी धूप है, तो हम लोग उतर के जाके चप्पल अपना यहाँ गाड़ी में छोड़ के नहीं जा सकते हैं मंदिर तक। तो हम लोग को उतर के जूता चप्पल उतारने पहले जाना पड़ेगा। पता नहीं मम्मी पापा लोग आई होप किसी दुकान को देख के भटकाए हुए में ना आए ज़्यादा, और हम लोग बस जाके सीधा दर्शन करके वापस आ सकें। और मेरा लिप कलर फेड हो चुका है, मेरा ब्रश वश हुआ है और मुझे बहुत ही गंदा लग रहा है। आइडियली मेरा प्लान था कि मैं गाड़ी में बैठी रहूँगी,
प्रणाम करेंगे सीधे बाहर। क्या बोला अमिताभ?
Done the darshan, we are all dissipated into 3 people now. One, mummy has gone somewhere. Well, she stopped somewhere there. She's probably getting something. Papa is probably getting the car out of the parking. There's like a full chaos. Otherwise, and I'm just standing here waiting on both of them. Thinking about now what's gonna come of the food because we couldn't have stopped at the pizza place. It wasn't. Like people were getting done with it. श्री कैंची धाम से अब हम लोग रवाना हो चुके हैं घर की तरफ. हमने वहाँ पिज़्ज़ेरिया में पिज़्ज़ा नहीं खाया है लेकिन अच्छा दर्शन हो गया है भगवान की कृपा से. और क्या बोलते हैं
पानी है ना,
हम लोग जा रहे हैं और हम लोग के हम लोग
पानी का
मैंने मिठाई खरीदी है. ये ज़्यादा ठंडा है, ये ज़्यादा फ्रेश है.
La no 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 पेड़ के पीछे में सूरज मामा छुपे हुए शायद दिख जाए.
We are crossing. What are we crossing?
टोल बूथ.
We're at probably the last toll booth that we'll be at before we hit Delhi NCR. We've had 2 stopovers by and large. One was somewhere before Rampur, somewhere in, I'm not sure, somewhere after Haldwani, where we had some pizzas and where we had some sandwiches and got some pizzas packed for the way. And before that, we also bought some vegetables from the hillside and some peanuts and things for the way, and stacked up on water and things like that. And we've been listening to some Cliff Richard songs. Mama just told me a story about her courtship days with Papa, wherein she had gifted a music cassette, which had all Cliff Richard music in it. And I've been shuffling through a lot of artists and things like that on my Spotify as well as on SoundCloud a little bit, and so I was asked to play some Cliff Richards after some Dire Straits, and I also I tried playing some Guns N' Roses, but the journey is still like a little bit boring because people are really rowdy. I don't know if it's the election time or just generally people are really rowdy in life. That's it. That's it. Once we cross this toll booth, we've got about 1 hour's journey, a little bit over 1 hour's journey to reach back. And then
Gadkari and tell him.
we call it
More
a
than 5
yes.
minutes.
Please, at the rate, shout out to Mr. Nitin Gadkari, Minister of Roadways. Please fix the roadways in
No, the toll, not the roadways.
also the
FASTag.
FASTag systems on toll booths and mostly just the road also mostly just the roads because it's not like a very smooth journey in some places. Recording, can you repeat it?
So Nitin Gadkari sir, you had assured that on a FASTag toll, nobody has to wait more than 5 minutes.
Yes.
But we have waited more than 5 minutes and we are still waiting. So you have done a great work, but this has to be addressed once and for all. You can see the crowd. Every lane is absolutely chock-a-block and we are waiting. And I'm sorry, there is no way to track that we are waiting for more than 5 minutes and our trip should be free. I mean, like, this charge should not be levied, but we'll have to pay for it again. So please address this issue. Thank you so much and God bless.
Bokeh lights. Jैसे bokeh is basically a feature of photography wherein all the lights appear a little bit blurred and a little bit like that, like how this is.
Srimati Tiwari, Shipra Tiwari, knocked off.
She was like,
Why?
आप सो गई थी क्या? आपको मैंने उठा दिया? वो बहुत शीघ्र अपने घर पहुंच जाएंगे आधे घंटे में.
So we've reached back to Noida and the car is in the basement where it's parked, and that's Papa and me taking the luggage out of the bag. This is my bag and some other bags. It's feeling like a task and a half to get all our luggage and everything out, and we're heading back upstairs and getting comfortable and ready for dinner before we call it a Sunday and get ready for what tomorrow holds.